Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Yes, Merry Christmas! Hi guys, it's me Jeffrey from Travel Bites and Sydney. Okay, today it's Christmas Day here in Thailand. Vlog number, I don't know, 4, 3, something like that. And it's Christmas
6.
Day. So we are going to show you what is it like Christmas in Thailand. What's the difference? I'm at my mom's house today, and that's what we always do on Christmas Day. Arr, wet mustache. So the beautiful wife is shopping the turkey, aka chicken. I don't know why this year, maybe because of the salmonella. There's not many imported turkeys here in Thailand. I can't get a hold of one, so we decided to use chicken instead. It's not the same, but it will do. Snowy, what are you waiting for? One awesome thing about Christmas at my mom's is the unlimited amount of cookies. Let's see what we got. Peanut butter, oatmeal, ginger, frosted, and these are like
Sprinkles inside.
yeah, little cherries inside.
May the Christmas season fill your home with joy, your heart with love, and your life with laughter. Have a Merry Christmas, guys.
Like that drone shot? Yeah.
Mango.
I'm getting some mangoes.
Where's my mango?
Alright guys, wish you guys all a Merry Christmas. Enjoy your holiday. Best wish for you all, and see you again tomorrow. Love you. Bye. สวัสดีครับ Pie, pumpkin pie, apple pie, turkey, ham, no, chicken. Delicious. I'm stuffed right now. Getting sleepy.